Welcome to BaytBushra. I'm Bushra and this is my home. Today we are doing my first collaboration actually on the channel. It is a collab with HijabiHeroes, Malika from Canada. I met her through Instagram. She's really sweet, mashallah, and we just became friends that way, and then we decided to do this snack exchange. So I sent her a box of snacks from the US. Check out her video on her channel. I will link it below, and she sent me a box. That's how exchanges work, right? Oh, okay.
Ooh, wow.
Read me.
Nice. This is upside down.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, hey, Bushra. Ooh. I'm so excited to film this collab with you. I think we have a lot of things that you may not. So let's see what you think of our snacks. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Malika, HijabiHeroes. Decadent chocolate chip cookies because they are the best. Aha. They're at the bottom.
We don't have
Ketchup.
those.
We don't have these, no. Ketchup and dill pickle chips.
Oh. Dill pickle.
Interesting
Ketchup.
flavor. Okay. Kinder egg.
Not sure why.
Kinder egg's illegal in America?
I don't know.
I think they might be. Fizzy peaches, so good. Assortment of candy and chocolate bars. Thank you so much. All right. They smell so fresh.
Oh my god, I'm so suddenly so hungry.
Mama?
Are they soft?
Okay, bismillah.
Smells good. Yeah,
Oh, good.
these are yummy. They're kind of like Chips Ahoy,
But they're yummier.
but better.
Oh my god.
They're very buttery.
Yeah, but they're also very chocolatey. It's in French.
I love that.
Me too, I love that it's in French.
I'll eat it. What?
Those are good. Salty?
Salty.
Can we eat the dill pickle ones first?
Let's try it. I've never tried this before.
Just so I can get them out of the way. Cornichon à la nette.
I don't know.
Les cornichons?
I hate pickles.
How do they
I hate
choose?
pickles.
How do they
I guess
July
it,
4th,
I don't know. Dill pickle flavor, if it's popular in the country.
It
We
smells
do not
like...
get this flavor.
Yeah, because
Vinegar.
we get barbecue flavor. Everything.
Does that taste like dill pickles, you know?
No.
I don't know how
A
dill
little
pickles
bit.
taste like.
No, it just tastes like...
Vinegar.
Oh, the aftertaste.
Yeah.
The aftertaste tastes more like
It's
pickle.
like a small little dill pickle.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. The more you eat, the more you taste the dill
I need
pickle.
water. Can I drink some water?
Oh my god, Mama's cookies over there. I see it.
Take a chocolate. We have
Ooh.
a crunchy, a coffee crisp, an O. Henry.
I like this.
Wow.
This is in England too.
Yeah,
this
it's British.
is good.
A Mr. Big.
Ooh, it's
Why haven't I
feathery.
seen this?
Oh.
And a Big Turk.
Well, you have to figure out what's in it.
Oh, this is a Turkish delight.
Everything is in French too. I love that.
Me too.
It looks like wafers.
I'm gonna open it. It's a wafer. You're right.
So far, the
like that.
chocolate doesn't taste like super concentrated cocoa. You know?
What do you mean? Like we have different chocolate?
There's
Yeah.
like more sugar. Yeah,
It's more
or more
sugar.
milk.
It's like wafers wrapped in Rice Krispies wrapped in
Milk
chocolate.
Is that syrup or honey?
Honey. Let's say honey.
It's so sweet.
Let's try one of these because I think these ones are melting. It's like the, I'm gonna say it's like the molasses chips from See's Candies. Ahnen.
This is yummier than cheese candy. It's like whatever.
It's also a little bit softer than See's Candies.
I like it.
It's good too.
No.
Well, we're gonna eat that Kinder Egg because it's broken.
Woo! Let's look at this.
Okay,
What's in it?
hang on.
Surprise! Surprise!
Oh, it's a little toy. Oh my god!
Oh, it's Joker. He's so cute.
Yes, the Joker is from
Aw.
Justice League.
Oh my god, and he moves. He's our favorite.
Yeah, you're supposed to put this on his neck. That's a good egg. We've tried a crunchy before, right?
in
We
we
don't
don't
have
have. No, we have him,
In England.
and we have him in
have to
World
go to
Market
market.
here. Yeah, we have this.
I mean, I can tell you.
Wait, we have it in World Market.
Yeah, World Market has like I don't know.
Oh,
if
you
Canada has
ordered
it,
some
but
from
World
Amazon too
Market-
once.
Yeah, I did. I ordered like a bunch of packs.
This
'cause
one-
I thought it tasted really good.
It does taste good.
It's just honeycomb. It's crispy.
I love this.
The stuff is so good.
That was delicious. I don't eat American candy bars like
Me either.
Twix, Snickers, Milky
No,
Way.
you know, sometimes I feel like I want to have Snickers.
like a
I just like
no,
I get into the mood of it.
like when you came to my house the other day and I had
Yeah, dude, in Ramadan, and I just like devoured that whole bar by myself. It was
By
disgusting.
herself.
Mama
Did
approves.
she check if this is what's it called?
Mama approves the
She
chocolate
checked-
cookie.
Oh, this is
Destroyed the
Happy
cookie.
Canada Day to the Canadians.
Yes.
It smells like walnuts and
It
syrup.
smells like, yeah. Give mom.
Here, just
Mama,
have it.
طيبة.
Oh, I'm literally
Baba,
dying
Tadu.
of heat right now.
Hey, تعالوا.
Camera's on?
It's okay.
Yeah, yeah, you can put your hand.
It's okay.
You're not hijabi.
I'm not hijabi.
That's yummy.
Yeah. These are Canadian.
That's a good one. It's a
It
good
smells
one.
really good.
هذا game أحسن game.
Which one?
I could eat this all day.
I didn't even watch that game. I was so done with them. I
These
was
are
like,
amazing.
whatever. And France better be Uruguay.
I'm trying to decide what it tastes like.
That's the way it smells. It tastes like
Walnuts and syrup.
I don't know
Or pecans and syrup.
if I like this.
pecans. Yeah, pecans. Pecan? The President's Choice.
Never tried.
Loads of ketchup flavor. They're like ridges. I'm gonna open them from the bottom because it was open in the bottom anyway. It just opened in the bottom, so they're still crispy.
These are-
It's because ketchup chips remind me of Syria, like Syrian chips. They have that flavor, ketchup flavor. Chips out of ketchup.
They're yummy.
Oh yeah,
That's a good
they
one.
taste sweeter.
It's more
I feel
potent, I think.
Yeah, they are. They're more ketchupy.
Yeah.
like. Yeah,
They're less vinegary.
that's right.
More
That's why they're sweeter.
tomato flavor.
That's why they're sweeter because they've got more ketchup. Yeah. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
I love it.
Why?
I like that one. You don't like what?
This one.
What?
I don't like the taste of it.
Are you sad?
I mean,
I
I like-
it's
I love
not the
opposite
ketchup
of
that you
you. I like
expected
them a
or what?
lot.
They taste almost like meaty. Does that
No.
make sense?
yeah, yeah.
Almost
No.
like beef jerky, like on the border. The next one is called Coffee Crisp. It doesn't say, it says wafer bar. Coffee Crisp.
Oh, it smells like coffee.
It's coffee.
yeah.
And that's why I like this one better than the Big O. Is that the one called?
You know what? None of these chocolate bars have nuts in them. We put so many nuts in our
No,
bars.
this one does.
The O. Henry.
But still, none of these chocolate bars taste like chocolate.
Crunchy peanuts, chewy fudge, creamy caramel covered in chocolate
This is
chocolatey
Nestle
coating.
though.
Maybe
American chocolate
because-
doesn't
I'll tell you
taste
what.
like chocolate either.
Who Reem said, because we like salty and sweet things. It's very American.
Yeah.
Like salted caramel. I feel like that started here before it started.
That's why I
everywhere
think we have nuts. So many nuts. So much
Yes.
nuts in our thing.
else. So this is the O. Henry. Ready, see
What's in the middle?
nougat?
Fudge.
Chewy fudge,
Peanut.
that's
Fudge.
This one's my favorite bar.
right. Me too. No. The coffee one. And this one.
Oh, this one's so yummy.
But it's the textures, the alternating different textures in it.
Yeah.
This is like a payday.
Tastes like payday.
That's true.
This one is called the Big Turk. It's Turkish delight. That's interesting. We don't sell these things in stores. You have to go to the Arabic store or the international store or whatever to find Turkish delight. But it seems that this is
doesn't
sold
sell
in
here
the
either.
store. Yeah.
There's chocolate. It's covered in chocolate.
Yeah.
Why? I feel like that's a
Everything's covered
mistake.
in chocolate.
To cover, oh
Caramel-
man.
No, I don't think
Looks
it's a
like this.
mistake.
I think it
It's
is.
like, the whole thing is covered in chocolate, but it's like partitioned off. Let's try it. Ready?
I like that idea.
No.
Oh, I don't
literally
know.
just saw somebody like try something like this.
Can we like,
wanna
do you
try
have
it.
smaller pieces?
It looks like a jelly.
So it's like, yeah, it's like red in the inside.
Red.
Vanessa doesn't know how to make a.
Hold on. Let me make my opinion first. Hold on.
I don't mind it.
I don't hate it.
I hate it. This is gross.
I don't hate it.
But I would never buy it again. From
Right.
Ugh,
right,
I
me
hate
too.
that.
I don't hate it. I actually like
It's not
that
Turkish delight.
chewy. It's called Turkish. Oh.
No, but Turkish delight's supposed to be like soft.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like
Not
that. It just
jelly.
tastes like jelly.
Ugh, I don't even like the
It's
taste
less
of the
chewy.
jelly. And the two flavors together don't even go together. Who likes this?
The flavors don't go together, but I like the chewiness of the jelly. And it's okay that it's covered in chocolate, but it doesn't have to be.
No, it really doesn't have to be.
Smarties. First time we met Smarties, do you remember?
Layover. London?
Amsterdam. Amsterdam layover, going to Syria. I don't compare them to M&M's.
because
I
the-
like mini Smarties, and I like mini M&M's.
Mini Smarties are better. You know what?
at
Last
this
time we
packaging.
had Smarties in England. I don't know if it was in the plane. Yeah, probably not on the train. Yeah, in the plane back, I had so many Smarties, and like I knew they were making me feel sick and gross. So I kept eating them. So now I hate them.
Oh.
They're bigger than
purple?
M&M's. Have green.
Like,
They're actually
casing
not
is
as
thinner.
bad. These ones aren't as bad as the ones we had in
These are
England.
delicious. Here,
Well, they were thinner
here.
coating.
You want?
We're obsessed with Haribo.
Haribo's yummy. Ooh, these look like Haribos.
Ooh.
I don't know what to expect actually. I thought they were gonna be like.
You think they're gonna
they
be
smell good.
sour?
Round. They smell good. Yeah. It's
Or
round.
sweet.
It's two colored, and it's got sugar on it.
Softer.
I like that.
I love peaches.
It's good.
That's very good.
That's a good peach flavor.
I love that.
You have to choose one snack that you could take with you on an airplane ride to Canada. You only have one snack and it's gotta be from this box. What would you choose?
Ketchup chips. Although those maple cookies are really good.
Either these
You have
or
to pick one. You have to make a final
These
decision.
are the cookies.
ketchup chips.
The cookies, probably.
I'll probably sit next to Tasneem actually.
You do the ketchup chips.
Yeah, I did the ketchup chips.
Wow.
I know which one was Reem's least favorite.
No, I hated this.
Yeah.
The Turk one?
Yeah. But thank you. Anyways.
Thank you for allowing us to try that. Malika, thank you so much for sending me this box of goodies. We totally enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, click that subscribe button and join the family. Like the video, share it with your friends.
Check out the other recipes.
Check out my recipe videos. I'm totally MIA this summer for a while on my channel. I just need to chill and yeah.
Detox.
Thank you. I need a social media detox and that's why I'm just totally MIA. But I hope you enjoyed this video.
This is Bayt and we are Bushra.
See you, bye. Like I sent her boxes like this big. They're like sharing for 2 people. She sent me like freaking family size.
How does she know we're like 17,000 people in the family?
We are
17,000 people.
Malika, do you speak French? Your job now is to comment below where you're from. If you know any of these snacks or candies, things that we have tried in this video, if you've tried them before and your thoughts. And finally, if you speak a second language, I'd like to know. That'd be cool. She asked for Famous Amos, and when I went to the store, I was fasting. So I totally forgot about Famous Amos, but let me tell you something. You don't need Famous Amos.
Also, Famous Amos is gross.
This is so much better.
It's literally gross. It tastes
Don't
like,
worry about it.
compared to this, it's like a rock.